washing machine and I made into yes.
Yes!
This new experience will be a fresh and intoxicating one, unlike our FCC. Those bastards didn't appreciate me for years. What? Challenge already? But I don't want to do the challenge. I want to meet those friendly contestants. They look nice, I know, but whatever. What if I rob a team name instead? Ugh ugh ugh. Fine, I'll just do what it comes to my mechanical mind first. That's a pretty cool name. I could win with this. What happened to my precious pretty body?
We had to replace them, since this guy doesn't want to finish all of them at the moment, so you better get used to it. Anyways, I'm very hungry, even though I eated one of your teammates, so you must make me food or else. I might use my laser target finger on you. So get started.
When did I had teammates? I just escaped from jail. So, anyone have any idea for a meal for aloe?
Well, I have experience cooking, and I suggest that we make a meal with acid, then we add a plant, and...
So washing machine, did you cook yet? The other members of GMOD already finished, and it's your turn, unless you want a DNP just like that.
Well, I have this thing that Chef PP told me to do it, so here, take it and enjoy.
Agag.
Glad that everything was a nightmare. It's good that my limbs and voice are back. Hopefully my body looks the same as before. Wait, something feels off. Do you know what it is? Love sign. Okay team, I know we hadn't the best communication, but for this time we should work together to find aloe, so let's split up and find them before night. I'm surprised they didn't take me to jail after letting the oven turn on for so long. I won't forget how they treated me back there. In fact, I will take actions from that experience. Aloe's quest won't be important right now. If my dreams were meant to say me something, then this has to be something that works in reality.
Huh? What happened? Booyah! Freedom again! Okay, washing machine, since you released me from jail, you got first place. Whee!
Oh, so that is, I wonder how it will be the destiny of this camp.
Hey, washing machine, could you find the other aloes, please?
Okay. Got one. I found all of them.
Thank you.
What are you gonna do?
Oh, I'm just gonna do this. I can't stand this any longer. My life is not worth it without anyone by my side.
Hey there, little thing. I just wanted to apologize for what aloe did to you because of my quest. Is there anything I could do to make up for it?
Oh, it's you. But don't worry. I would like you to help me with that girl over there.
A romantic fella you are, huh? Well, the last 5 challenges I haven't the best look, but for this one I'll do my best to restore my image, so yes. Me and Mighty, where are you guys going?
We're like leaving this smelly ass team.
Wait, don't leave the team. I may whatever, I don't care. Looks like it's you and me, so let's reach the love pal.
La sabía llevar. A mí me gustaba cómo las movías. Y juntos nos fuimos a pernoctar. Es que me gustas mucho. Me gustas mucho. Me gustas mucho.
And that's what we made for 24 hours straight. You feel you can make it?
Of course.
Well then, go for it, Tiger.
Hey there, Kiwi. Huh? Who's talking to me? I'm behind you. I can't turn behind myself. Oh, now I see you. Yay! I lost my view on you, but I can still feel your presence. Oh, that's so sweet of you. So, wanna date me? Why, of course.
That was beautiful. My work here is done. Hopefully I'll have a good image from now on.
Nope.